Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how many ways we can able to run our PyTest test cases. Okay, and my previous videos also can able to see there are a couple of ways I run right. And here we are going to see the complete session how we can able to. One is first PyTest. If you write this PyTest, it will run how many test cases are present, and here is the one and here is two. Means total three test cases. I need to pass for three test cases. If I run this one, you can able to see three test cases pass, right? And that is one is underscore test demo test underscore features, and I have two test cases. Correct. And if you want to create another folder for this directory PyTest demo, and here again I'm going to creating here another file, Python file test underscore demo1. Okay, and I'm going to copying the same one, and I'm pasting for one method demo PyTest1. Okay, now again you can see now it will become a four test cases. You can able to see now test underscore demo1 and also test underscore demo file. There are three files, correct, and three different folders. You can able to see the directory name also it is displayed, right? And if you want to output, then we can able to use it for -v -s. And if you don't want to use -s means capture equal to no. Anyone it will give us for output. Oh shit. Yeah, you can able to see the spelling mistake happen. Okay. Now you can able to see there are four methods. You can able to see output also. We can able to create this one also. If you don't know the proper naming and you don't want to means, then you can able to use -s. -s also it will give for same response of body, which is the value we are going to print. That print values it will display here. Okay, and another one is by using directory. Why we need to use the directory? And in case if you want to run a particular folder, not for all the entire project, now we can able to use that particular folder to run. I'm going to run for PyTest case. I have three methods in that particular one. You can able to see three passed, and even you can able to see here. Okay, three different structures, correct? And now I need to, we can able to a specific test case we need to run. Then that moment we can able to use it. Our test fixes. Now we can just run. See now particular test case also we can able to run. This is the way we can able to run our test cases in different format. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.